This is at Chain Lake State Park. We're on Trail 9, and we are going around Kreiger Lake, and I came across this Beaver dam. And you can see that this is a bit of an engineering feat. And you can see that there's the dam, there's the water level, and we got some Canadian geese on the pond here. And I'm gonna estimate that these beavers have created about a 4.5 foot deep pond, and the lodge is over on the other side of this particular pond. But what an engineering feat. And here's a view of the same pond on the back side of the dam. And you can see the pond that they've created. And they have a secondary dam over here. And in the far distance, you can see the lodge where the beavers live. And this is the back side of the pond. And here you can see, looks like a sub dam that they've built. You can hear the water passing through, and might be able to bring in the beaver lodge.